What's up, guys? Today I'm back with another tutorial. This time we're gonna be fixing the spike bug in the hivebrain Sonic 1 disassembly. Last time we fixed it in the GitHub disassembly, so now I'm gonna show how to do it in the hivebrain disassembly. So first thing we're gonna want to do is download a hivebrain Sonic 1 disassembly. Currently I'm gonna be using this one right here for the video, but I think some of these other ones will work too. Anyway, I'm basically focusing on this one. Also, it should also be similar to the spin dash disassembly that I showed in the GitHub tutorial. So anyway, after you downloaded that, you want to extract the zip file, and then we're going to open it. And so once we open it, we want to look for, okay, so we want to open up sonic1.asm and basically like the root of the thingy. And once we're in it, we're gonna search for invincible, or I'll show you. So we're gonna look for something that says, is Sonic invincible? If yes, branch. So this area over here is the spikes, basically, and how like the spikes work. So here is basically what we want to do. So basically we're gonna add a new paragraph, and we're gonna write tst.w, and we're gonna go a few spaces, and we're gonna do a $sign followed by 4 F's, and then we're gonna do D030, and we're gonna do a parenthesis, and we're gonna do .w, then we're gonna do a few more spaces and a semicolon, and we're gonna do 3 pluses. We're gonna type, is Sonic invulnerable, like that. Now we add a new paragraph, and we'll type bne.s, and we'll type obj36 underscore display, and we'll do another semicolon and another 3 pluses. We're gonna say, if yes, branch. And so when we're done, it should look something like this now, like that. Now we're gonna save up there. Now we're gonna go here, and we're gonna look for build. And if it gives this pop-up right here, we're gonna do read more, and we're gonna click run anyway. So basically this is building just a ROM of Sonic 1, as you probably expect. And if it was successful, now it should look like, we can close this out by the way, because we're done with it. But if we did it successfully, we should see S1 built. Now you'll need a Genesis emulator to open it up with. And I personally use BizHawk, but any Genesis emulator, like I said, it'll work. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and find a bunch of spikes in game, and we're going to test out to see if it worked. So let's do that real quick. I will fast forward a little bit so we don't have to like watch everything, but alright. So this is, we're gonna test it now. As you can see, we're successful with the hivebrain system. As seen right here. Now the Sonic 1 spikes work exactly like the ones in Sonic 2 and Sonic 3 and Knuckles. I'll I'll die real quick on the spikes right here, just to show that it's fully functional. The reason I'm pausing to talk is because I realized in my GitHub tutorial, when the game was open for some reason, my mic quality got a little shitty for a second, so I'm gonna maybe pause and see if that fixes it a little bit, but yeah. And it works. So if you want to make a Sonic 1 ROM hack with the hivebrain disassembly, you could consider this, like what I said with the GitHub disassembly, but this is how to fix it in the hivebrain disassembly. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.